Hot Pockets in a Hot Logic. Yes, you can make Hot Pockets in a Hot Logic personal portable oven. I'm going to show you how. I know most of you that watch are familiar with the Hot Logic Mini personal portable oven. If not, I'll show you what it's about. This one came with a Pyrex 6-cup dish, which I'm not going to use today. You can buy this with or without the Pyrex. It has a heating element inside. See? Which can be removed and also used as a little warming tray for your table. We cook in here. We put any kind of meal in here. Frozen, not frozen. Leftovers, some cardboard meals like this. But this one I know has plastic wrapped around the Hot Pockets. And they also have those crisping sleeves, remember? See? So I'm going to put that in the sleeve and put it on the element. But first I'm going to put some foil down on here just because this is mozzarella and meatballs. And I wouldn't want any of the cheese to drip out onto my heating element. Or any crumbs or anything like that getting on there. So I'm going to take a piece of foil, put it in there, just to keep it clean. Okay, that's pretty easy. How much easier can it get? I haven't had a Hot Pocket in a long time. How about you? These are frozen. You know that? Put that right in there. These are great for work. Take this thing to work. Full of Hot Pockets. Slide it in the sleeve. Presto. That's all we got to do. You can zip this up now. Take it to work. Take it fishing. Take it in your truck. Take it wherever you want to go. Take it to school. Plug it in when you get there. See? Comes with the handy plug in the back. You know that. I'm going to plug it in the wall today. And I'm going to check it in about an hour and a half. I might turn it over. I'll see what the temperature is at that point. Maybe it'll be ready to eat. But if you plug this in at 7, it'll be ready for you at lunchtime at work, frozen or not. Okay? Wouldn't hurt to turn it over halfway through. Since they're in the crisping sleeves, maybe get it nice and crunchy. We're going to see how it turns out today. All right, we'll check on an hour and a half. Hot Pockets and a Hot Logic. Okay, 2 hours have passed. And I didn't look in here yet. Let's see what we have. They're still there. Warm. I'm going to turn them over. Let's see. Ooh. It feels a little crispy. Yeah. Kind of crunchy. Let's see, which way was it? Oh, it was like that. All right. Let me see. I think I could eat that right now. But I'm going to put it in longer. Maybe let it crisp up a little more. And just to show you, you can leave it in there anywhere from 2 to 4 to 6 hours. And it'll stay that perfect temperature. Safe cooking temperature. It's like equal to that of a slow cooker. You know? All right, I might lay down and take a little nap. But I'll check it in about 2 more hours. All right? Sure smells good. 4 hours total. Let's check it out. Now I smell it like a Hot Pocket. Unplug it. Oh yes, that's the Hot Pocket I remember. Thank you, Hot Logic. Thank you, Hot Pocket. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What do you think? Well, I'm glad the cheese didn't run out of there, but it's nice and melted and hot. Take a bite. Oh, yeah. I think I'm going to put that one back in and see what happens with it. How does that sound? Just as an experiment, Let me put that one back in for another hour, see what happens. Okay? I think I'm gonna put this half back in without the sleeve. Maybe we'll learn the sleeve. Oh, the sleeve was for the microwave, right? Yeah, the sleeve was for the microwave. Maybe we shouldn't have went with the sleeve on this deal. Well, that's why I'm learning this for you. Okay? Give it another hour. See how it looks. Okay, that's it. That's all the time it's gonna have. It's almost 5 hours altogether. Oh. See, you can leave it in there all day. See? Nice. Perfect. Oh, hot. Meatball. So you see, we could have ate it at 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, all day from frozen. Very convenient. These are good. They really are. See you tomorrow.